What's up guys, we are back with the gs350 and I'm going to be trying to install this three-piece front lip. So initially I did not want to get a three-piece front lip because I thought it looked kind of ghetto, but I bought a one-piece front lip which was just for like the basic F-Sport slash regular 16 plus gs350s, and it did not fit. I didn't even bother finishing the video for that because it's just screwed up so bad. But this one seems to fit a little bit better, so we're gonna give it a shot and see how it does. So it's got these holes and these pegs that I already put some kind of tape in there, but you're supposed to screw it in, and they provided screws. I don't like this gap right here. It's a pretty big gap. You can see it compared to this side. So there it is. It definitely adds a different look to the car. I don't know if I like it or not though. Mostly because it kind of like flares out right here. It's not kind of like flush to the car. I wonder if I can like heat it up. Maybe like just bend it closer in. It's worse on the other side. You can see. See, I want to like get a heat gun, just kind of like melt it a little bit and then just kind of like push it in, but I don't know, that would screw it up probably, but it definitely adds a different look to the car. I just don't like that it's a three-piece. You can see the gap right here. It's worse on this side as well. I thought I had some carbon fiber wrap just to like put it right here to kind of blend it in. Probably be less noticeable than just leaving it a gap like that, but yeah, it's all coming together. But yeah, there you have it. Just installing the three-piece front lip really quick. That was easier than I thought it was going to be. But yeah, till the next one. See ya.